ready for Mustang Week. We just got back from the Dreamers of Drift event. That was awesome. We came in 3rd place in their competition. It's a 235 tire rule with the Fusion, and that was just super sweet. I had a blast, and now we got to make sure that everything's ready to go. So we're going to be doing demos. It's going to be hot. I got to get the AC fixed on the Fusion. I got to do a bunch of stuff to the Fox because I haven't driven it in forever. And the race car is still over at Renspec getting wrapped. So we got to pick that up when we go to Houston. So it's going to be quite busy, and let's get to work. So LMR was nice enough to hook us up with this Cervini hood for our 86 Mustang. I was coming back from the cruising, and my old hood separated. It didn't fly open, but it did separate from the seams here, basically. And that was super shitty. So eventually probably gonna put hood pins in it, but for now I'm gonna scuff and spray this and just make the car look good for the event. So right now I'm scuffing the hood, just using our Benchmark abrasives, silver, gray, whatever, scuff pad, scuffing it up so the paint will stick. Okay, I got the paint booth set up, got our fan running, got this hanging up, ready to be painted. Nothing's covered, but that's fine, it's just a hood. Should spray quick, hopefully. And she's all cleaned up and scuffed, ready to go. So hopefully this paint lays down good. It's pretty old. I also really hope it matches. It's what I used to do the engine bay like 10 years ago. But that's what I got, so that's what I'm gonna use. So it's bedtime on Thursday or Wednesday night. We're supposed to leave tomorrow right when I get home from work. And that's on the lift, but it's done, not clean. The evaporator is leaking, so I can't charge AC, so that super sucks. So I gotta just do tires on this. The Beamer is still in the trailer, so I gotta pull that out and load everything. Luckily, Randall is gonna be over here tomorrow. He's gonna do some tires for me. So hopefully we can just hook the trailer up and leave. But yeah, it's gonna be a long night. All right, we're here at Mustang Week in Houston 2025. Pretty pumped. We've been pretty crazy going, and we got here at 1 from Renspec, and I got something to show you. It's pretty sick. Alex and her family's here. We're all set up, but the Mustang looks awesome. The new livery, Renspec killed it. They designed the livery, installed it and everything, and I'm blown away. It's really beautiful. So we still got some things to fix. We're running around like crazy, just like how it always goes. So I don't have the trunk or anything on, but the car looks great. I'm super pumped. We're about to go out in probably like 15-20 minutes. So I've never been at this track. It's my first bank track, so it's gonna be super fun, and we're gonna rip. Hell yeah.
me forever.
I'll take that in your phone so you can get out.
Way more fun than a roller coaster.
Man, I'll never go on a roller coaster again. It ain't gonna do nothing for me. I appreciate it, man. It was dope.
It's a bunch of craziness. We're here. Tons of Mustangs. They're doing burnouts. They got a DJ, and we're about to go to hype the crowd up for tomorrow. So Randall's driving the Fusion over here. I'm gonna be taking that P car out. Hell yeah. I've never seen one of these in person, but it's really friggin' cool. Can't wait to check this thing out. Super race.
I like that Mr. Chrome on that thing. That's a 2-speed rear, Chris.
Is it?
Yeah.
I thought it was an old school quick change.
No, I think it's 2-speed. You slide, you're gonna
Wild,
slide
right?
across the line, and your hydraulics over, yes, yes, over.
That's sick.
Like on a truck.
Couple $100,000 race car.
On the big trucks, you go through your first 6 gears, you flick the button,
Yeah,
and you go
high
over
and low.
yeah, that's how that is.
Sick. That's how they get the 205 mile an hour
Yeah.
or whatever they did.
Yeah, keep the RPM.
This thing's wild. I love the color, but it's like way more stock. It's got a 3-valve in it with a blower, I guess. How's it going? I'm like, is this yours?
Yeah.
All right, I gotta ask about it. So is this, what are these called again? Like the SSR or something?
It's the S281 Saleen SR Extreme Wide Body.
Okay. So why does it have a 3-valve in it?
Because it started out as the 351, it took 10 years to build this car. So by the time they got it done, the 3-valve was the only engine that was homologated, so they put the 3-valve in it.
Oh, okay. So you ordered this brand new or what?
Yes.
Really?
Yeah.
So does this have the crazy IRS and everything that one does?
No, it's a Curry 9-inch in the back, but the front end is all it's
Short, long arm?
yeah, and it's tubular, and it's all Heim joints. There's no bushings anywhere.
Yeah. Yeah, it's too low to get under, but I saw there's no shock on the shock tower, so
Yeah, yeah.
I saw that as SLA.
Yeah, it's
super cool. I've never seen one.
Yeah,
How many
that's
are
it.
built? That one's 01.
That's the only one. That's the only street legal one that exists.
Really?
One or two of them.
Holy shit. How many other race cars did they build?
Those are one of the 3 that went to Le Mans, but they built quite a few
I
of the
think
street
5 or
races.
6, didn't they?
At least.
Yeah.
They race some of them here in the States, you know, not under Saleen, but I mean, a lot of people bought them.
Yeah, Bob.
Yeah.
Because they want you too fast.
Yeah, they're quick.
Yeah. Now that rear end now, it's a 2-speed. Is that why that's designed like that?
No, that's a quick change rear end.
Is it?
Yeah. So it's an older style.
It's a $110,000 rear end.
Yeah.
Jesus
yeah.
Christ.
It's all Torsen design inside,
Yes.
right?
Yeah. As far as I know, anyway, I didn't build it, so.
Yeah.
It looks like a Torsen or a Torsen 2-speed.
Yeah, well, I thought it was a Torsen, what I was told.
Yeah.
Yeah, we run quick changes in the race cars, but they're like $5,000. They're like the upgraded like dirt track ones.
Yeah.
But they're independent still. So I looked at them like, oh, that's probably like just the old school quick change because it's not on the back. I think it's all on the front side.
Yeah, it's definitely old school because I mean those cars were built in '99.
Yeah, it's super cool to see them. That's awesome. I love that you did the Mystic Chrome on it too.
That's actually not Mystic Chrome. That's
Mystic.
It's called Extreme Ocean. It's a lot brighter. It's candied. The Mystic's not candy. That's the candy color.
Okay.
It's made by BASF.
Yeah, it looks great.
I like the blue. Yeah, it's beautiful. That one does blue, purple, black, green, and gold. When the sun sets right across, it turns totally gold.
That's sick.
It looks really weird in gold to me, but I like the blue, purple.
Oh yeah, it's definitely a beautiful car. What a big tire in the back.
Yeah, those are that thing's tough.
345/19. Holy shit.
And they fit in the tire wall.
Yeah, it takes the whole tire well.
Yeah.
Such a cool car.
It'll spin them well past 85.
Yeah. What's it make? 550? 550 horsepower?
704.
704? Yeah. Oh, she's built up.
Yeah, this is built by Manny, their head race car engine builder. He built it himself.
Oh, okay.
It's an Extreme Motor Plus.
Yeah, so it's not just a 3-valve with a blower like
and
the
Jim
05s.
Mori tuned it, JDM.
Yeah. What a cool car. Definitely caught my eye, and it's friggin' sick.
All right, you're number 2.
My dad's doing the hot dog eating contest. We gotta go up there. It's gonna be wild.
All right, Tree Dog Hot Dogs. We have Ed. He's from Waco. Oh, he's from Boston, Mass. Ed, your son is a drift driver, right?
Yeah, Chris Leonard, one of the best drivers out here. Love him to death, very proud of him.
You can tell this guy from Texas. What do you know about Texas hot dogs?
I know I'm gonna win this.
Oh, snap. All right, go win it for Chris. Chris is taking drift ride-alongs today, $50 a head. All right, next up, Gonzo from Houston. Gonzo, you came up early. What do you do?
He just ate a cheeseburger too.
All right. What, are you here with the team, or are you just here hanging out, or what?
Oh, I'm here with friends, Turtle Media over there.
Do you think you can win this drag race here?
I don't know, I'm here for free hot dogs.
I like his style. First one to finish 4 and the bottle of water is gonna win a ride along with RTR. Does that sound fun? So y'all gotta get loud. You gotta cheer them on because we need a bunch of amped up action while this is happening because it's gonna go quick, all right? I need crowd participation. Are y'all ready? Let's count down from 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! There we go. All right. Who's got the best idea here? Drinking water, smashing hot dogs. Look at that. Eli's over there just eating the dog. He said, I'm gonna get the bun down later. Come on, cheer him up, guys. Cheer for your favorite. Who's your favorite? Come on, let's hear it. Who thinks Eli's got it? Come on. What about Dominic? How's he doing over there? He was pretty confident. He hadn't even finished one yet. He's drinking water. Ed from Boston, Mass. He's doing pretty good. He's almost got one down. This is a drag race to finish 4. Oh man, Eli's struggling a little bit.
He doesn't look like he likes it.
Did you eat too much? These are big hot dogs, y'all. Ed from Boston, Mass is on his last one, guys. He's got a little piece of bun down there. You can't let him forget that. Don't forget the bun on the table, Ed. Oh, there he goes. He's got it. Uh-oh. Alex from Louisville. They're in the 330. Oh, here he goes. Alex has got one more bite. Ed, shove it all in, Ed. Come on, Ed. Come on, baby. Come on, Ed. Ed. Oh, he's got to swallow. He's got to swallow. Come on, Ed. You got to swallow, baby. Come on, Ed. Oh. Alex. Oh, who's done? He's still chewing. Oh, he's getting. Oh, wait. Did you? Oh, my gosh. Ladies and gentlemen, I think we have a tie.
No!
we have to go to the video.
Yes.
Who's got good video of it? Chris has got good video of it. Who was first, Chris?
My dad for sure.
His dad. Okay, wait. Y'all have to vote. I need the crowd participation here. Whoa. Boston, Mass, cheer it up. Kentucky, cheer it up. Boston got it. Well, you can ride along in your own car tonight. How about that? All right, thanks for participation. The guy that was on cruise control came in a close second. Boston, Mass, Texas, you let me down. Good job. Congratulations, you called your shot, you won it. Go see the guys over at RTR.
After eating a cheeseburger.
Those guys. Whoa. Come here. Alejandro, good job. What did you just tell me, Ed?
I'm going to donate my ride to him.
Put your hands up for Boston, Mass. Donate his ride. He could go for a ride with his son. He'd probably enjoy that more, right?
Okay, so we signed up for the drift contest. I'd say I'm the underdog here. This is Shelby Motor Whipple. She's got a stock Mustang though, so we're not the worst, I guess. I don't know, we'll see. But definitely the least amount of power, so we'll see how it goes.
Let's go, folks. Ready to get these competitions going?
Not bad. Wish I could have blown them.
All right, so we ended up getting super sick in Mustang Week, so I didn't finish a completion video. But we had a super good time there for the first Mustang Week in Texas. It was a great event. There's a ton of people there, and I can't wait to go back again next year. So make sure you comment, like, subscribe. If you go to Mustang Week in Texas next year, make sure you come say hi, and we'll see you later.